Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lexi and we are about to be at the hairstylist Natasha Natural Touch Salon Studio. Listen, I've been saying I'm tired of doing my hair, but I feel like I'm really tired of doing my hair. Like I'm this close to locking it up, because when I am overwhelmed with life, my hair is the last thing I want to do. So she was in disarray, as I always say. So this morning I just like wet it a little bit and I put some pre-poo. I put that Pattern Beauty treatment mask. I did a video on that like a few weeks ago. I'll leave it linked. And I like it, it's cool. So I put that on my hair, like 2 big clumps, just to like soften it and pull out some of the knots. I did what I could to just soften it a bit. But I texted her, I'm like, girl, my hair is in bad shape. And she was like, don't worry, I got you, whatever. So I'm gonna get a wash, a trim, and some crochet twists. So we'll see how that turns out. My first time getting crochet twists. As usual, come get my hair done with me. All right, you guys, so we're back at Natural Touch Salon Studio. I will leave her Instagram down below. Natasha is my favorite stylist for how she treats my hair, how gentle she is with my hair. And I don't feel shamed for coming in there with like literally tangles and matting and knots and my hair needing to be trimmed months ago. She is not shaming me for that, and she just treats my hair so gently, and she's so knowledgeable. I know a lot of you guys have gone to her over the years. If you're in the South Florida area, she's that girl. So she shampoos my hair twice. Then she's going to give me a deep condition, detangle, lots of finger detangling and pulling out the knots and shed hairs. She's going to blow dry my hair. She's going to trim my hair. And then I asked her, like, look, what can you give me? Like, I need a quick style that I can just wake up and go to the gym, live my life. And she recommended these crochet twists. So you guys will see that install as well. And I actually forgot to record a last clip, so at the end of the video it's going to be some pictures. But if you follow me on Instagram, TikTok, you've seen my hair and how cute it is and how simple it is as well. You guys could definitely do that style at home, but I'm in a place in my life where I'm really over doing my hair by myself, so this is always a godsend to go to her and have her just take care of me. So I'm gonna play some music, some low vibes, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. right, y'all, these are the results. I absolutely love them. I think it came out really cute. I love the length. I will leave the link to the hair also down below. Give the video a thumbs up on your way out and let me know down below what you think of the style. Is it hitting? And I'll see you guys in the next one.